Hello, my name is Brando Kolo. This video has been made to communicate with the students that have been registering for my lectures on Udemy. Thank you so much for your feedbacks. Thank you for the reviews. I really appreciate that. I just want to take some time to talk to you about what these lecture series are meant to do. Of course, they are meant to build up your knowledge in the field of the use of materials in the field of additive manufacturing. Well, they're also meant to help you understand what it takes to be able to perform within this field of additive manufacturing. I'd like you to know that we already have some tools that make it possible that will help you to assess your level of know-how in this field. Those tools are indicated on the screen here, where you would get a sense of the different fields of additive manufacturing, materials, the processing, the technologies involved, the economics behind this topic, the design rules. The tool is a test tool. This test allows you to calibrate your know-how in the field. We know that those hiring in this field are placing a lot of demand on candidates, and this tool allows you gauge yourself. It allows you interact with the hiring managers so that they get a sense of how to place you in different jobs within the field of additive manufacturing. I encourage you to visit the site and take the test and get a sense of where you belong in this field. Thank you very much.